I tried these ablations where they put these needles in there and tried to shock them or something. That was horrible. I've tried every wrap that you can think of. I've tried all the little creams that you can order, all the pain stuff. Nothing did it. Hi, my name is Boomer, and I'm here at the Vascular Institute of Michigan, and I'm a patient of Dr. Margany. I've had knee problems for many years, and I've lost a bunch of weight, and I was still having, knee problems, and every year it progressively got worse, and I just did not want to have knee replacement. I have known people to have knee replacement, and to me it's 30% come running by like Tigger, 30% come by the same, and 30% are more miserable than they were. I have not wanted to have a knee replacement, and both of them I've been told I need it. I was at my family doctor, and they handed me one of Dr. Margany's pamphlets, and I just read it, and my doctor, I trust her very much. She said, look, I looked into this. I don't know anybody of my patients has done it, but she said you ought to check it out. And so I came up here to check it out. So my pain level was, whether you believe it or not, like a 9. It was bad. I mean, I still got through life, but it was very, very limited. Luckily, I worked for myself, so I could monitor like a daily work, but it was bad. But I was stubborn, and of course, you can get pain pills and things to put on your knees and wrap, and it was getting bad, but I still wouldn't give in. I just did not want to have knee replacements yet. And when the pain level was, it was just hindering everything. I just gotten to the point in my life where I could really start enjoying, I'm almost an adult now, so I have to start enjoying things, but unfortunately, the knees were stopping me from the enjoyment. I set up an appointment to come here. I came in, and they were really friendly right when I got here, and I was talking to them, and I had to go in for a consultation. And I went in for the consultation, and the doctor that looked at me and was a young lady, and she checked it all out. They made sure that all my veins were good, and so I had to come in and do that and make sure that everything would be smooth, which I liked. And they did all that, and then they said, yes, my veins are good, and I would be able to do that, and that they thought that the procedure would help me a lot. I left, we set up the appointment, I came in, so I walked in the door, my wife stayed with me, she just stayed in the waiting room, and I went in, and they did the whole knee procedure. They were very, very kind and nice and talking me through it, because I'm going to tell you guys out there, all of you, that IVs kind of freaked me out. I had to get an IV. They were top notch, it was so smooth. And then I got ready for the procedure, and all the gals that were in there were so kind and nice. And then Dr. Margany came in, and I started talking to him, and he said, hey, just relax, Boomer, because I was a little tensed up, Next thing I know, it's all done. Got all dressed, and I walked right out of here, and I was ready to go. I went home, and I worked Friday. I came in on a Thursday, I remember, and I worked Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at my restaurants, and the doctor said, hey, you gotta chill out a little bit. So I did, and it was amazing. I was ready to go the next day. I wanted to get the other knee done Monday. Everybody here treated me so well, and everybody was so kind, and they were just nice. They weren't condescending, they weren't pushy, they weren't in a hurry. I was a person. I just had the best holiday season I have had in a long time. We are super busy during the holidays, and I was there at both of my restaurants being able to help out and do stuff, and then the grandkids over, and then I've been out seeing lights and walking around. And my pain level, it took me from a 9 to a 4, and I feel like $1,000,000. I'm excited because I don't feel like I need surgery anymore. I would go through it right now, and in a couple hours go home. I don't need it, but I'm just saying it was that simple. You gotta come check them out. I don't know if other people, they cure them 100%, but I'm freaking happy. I am 100% happy. It's nice to go somewhere where you feel like a person, not a number.